Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You already have Python. Start by installing requests and importing it. Once done, define a base URL and inspect the API docs to pick endpoints. Make your first GET call, request the URL, check status code, and parse response. JSON, if the content type is JSON. Save short example code in a file so you can iterate quickly. Make sure to handle exceptions with try/, except around requests to catch connection errors, and begin validating that the server returns expected fields. Next, you'll add authentication and structured data. Start by attaching params for queries and use JSON equals for JSON bodies. This ensures correct headers. For auth, pass auth equals, user pass or set headers with bearer tokens. Once done, set timeout to avoid hangs and verify equals false only for debugging. Use requests. Session, to persist headers and reuse TCP connections. It speeds up repeated calls. Also log status codes and response. Text when unexpected, so you can adjust payload shapes or headers quickly. To finish, implement retries and robust error handling so your script survives transient failures. Configure backoff or use erlib3. Util, retry with a session adapter. When downloading large files, stream the response and write in chunks. Once tasks complete, close the session to free resources. If something breaks, check response. Status code and response. Headers for content type or rate limit signals, then log response. Text. One key troubleshooting tip. If you see unexpected JSON decode errors, dump response.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.